We'll guide you through how to make smooth face in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Photopea is a free, browser-based editing tool that offers powerful, Photoshop-like features without requiring installation or payment. Begin by accessing the Photopea website in Google Chrome. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut. Wait for Google Chrome to open completely. Hover your cursor over the search bar. Tap and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Once the search is complete, select the top option, 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘.com. You will then be directed to the Photopea homepage. Before starting editing, prepare the photo you want to edit. Then, click the Open from Computer option. Browse to the location where the photo was saved. Double-click to open it. Next, you need to duplicate your photo so the effect doesn't affect the main photo. Go to the Layers panel and right-click on the photo layer. Click Duplicate Layer. Convert the duplicate layer to a smart object. Go to the Filter menu options. Find Lens Blur in the Blur menu. Click to add a lens blur effect. Adjust the focal distance, radius, and angle values according to your photo's needs. Or, you can also follow these settings. Then, go back to the Filter menu option. Select Surface Blur in the Blur menu. Lower the radius value to 10 and the threshold value to 9. Next, click the Smart Filters layer. Press Ctrl+I to invert. Finally, use the Brush tool with white. Gently select the face for optimal results. Tip: avoid selecting the eyes, eyebrows, and lips for a natural look. If you're satisfied with the results, don't forget to save or export your edits. To ensure better control, take your time while brushing and adjust the brush size as needed. You can zoom in on the image for more precise selections and smoother blending. Continue refining until the result appears soft and natural. Once everything looks balanced, review the entire image to ensure consistency. Make small adjustments if necessary before finalizing your work. After that, proceed to save your file in your preferred format and choose the desired quality settings for the best output.